Introducing the Hikvision DS-2CE16D0T-LPTS, a groundbreaking 2MP two-way audio fixed mini bullet camera designed to enhance the security of your home or business. This innovative camera features stunning 2MP HD resolution, ensuring every detail is captured with remarkable clarity. What sets it apart is its pioneering built-in microphone and speaker, enabling seamless two-way audio communication through your DVR. Experience the next level of surveillance technology that not only watches over your space but also allows you to engage directly. The main unique feature is the built-in microphone and speaker, which facilitates seamless two-way audio communication via your DVR. This functionality can be accessed through a mobile app or PC client software, making it possible to communicate directly with individuals in view of the camera. This feature adds a personal touch to your security system, allowing you to interact in real time. To ensure a hassle-free installation, the package includes mounting screws, anchors, and a drill template. A quick start guide is also provided, making the setup process easy and straightforward. With the Hikvision DS-2CE16D0T-LPTS, securing your property has never been more efficient and user-friendly. This camera also includes several additional features that enhance its functionality. One of the standout capabilities is Smart Hybrid Light, which provides flexible lighting options. This advanced technology combines infrared, IR, illumination with white light to optimize visibility in various lighting conditions. In low-light situations, the camera can automatically switch to IR mode for discrete surveillance. When more visibility is required, the white light can be activated to produce bright color images, making it easier to identify details clearly. With a white light distance of up to 20 m, this camera ensures bright night imaging, allowing for clear and vivid color visuals even in dark environments. With these advanced functionalities, you can enjoy enhanced visibility and security during nighttime hours. Note: this camera supports two-way audio for ACUSense series DVR models, which facilitate all channels of HD TVI two-way audio. It easily integrates with DVRs such as the IDs 7216HQHI M1/XT. Notably, the camera requires no additional equipment or cables for audio input and output. The two-way audio feature operates seamlessly with standard camera wiring using audio over coaxial cable technologies. In our upcoming videos, we'll explore the various ways this camera can integrate with CCTV systems and smart home automation, highlighting its full potential. We'll provide in-depth explanations of these features in additional segments of this video series. If you found this video helpful, please support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel.